What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to be shooting a basketball game, so you guys are going to see the full POV shot of how I shoot. We are using a 24-70 2.8mm lens and an 85 1.4. So we are actually going to be headed to Calhoun County. It's my alma mater, where I graduated high school back in 2011 actually, so it's been a while, but I played basketball there for all 4 years and had a great time. And whenever I was thinking about content for this, I was like, you know, what better way to showcase their team and also support my alma mater all at the same time. So I think it's gonna be really fun. We're actually gonna be meeting up with another photographer. You're gonna see him later in the video, most likely. He gets off work around 5-ish, so we're gonna meet there. But he does sport photography for Calhoun as well. I'll put all of his links and stuff in the description below, but it's Blue Sky Studio. Make sure you show him some love. But he's yeah, reached out to him. I was like, dude, if you want to just meet up, talk gear, shoot a game, it'd be awesome. So Calhoun's playing Wirt tonight. So with that being said, hopefully next time you see me, I got this thing strapped on and we're walking through the doors and hopefully going to capture some basketball. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. I'm at 1/400.
What's your megapixel?
Oh, 48.
Yeah, I'm shooting 25. That's the entry factor.
Yeah. How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. How you been?
I'm busy, but good. Taking me a while to hone in these settings, but I'm at 2500, 2.8, 1/400. I might switch over to the 85 just because it has 1.4. That was in focus. Yeah, still a little bit. One thing I have noticed in this 24-70, so like when I was shooting that girl for the snow and stuff, it was sharp, but it was like the stabilization wasn't like quite there. Like with my other lenses, it was like you had to be sharp for more than like 1 second. So much better. That's that 1.4. The sharpness on it. That looked good. Looked good on camera. Like, see, that's what we want. That's yep. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I'm here with Kevin. You want to go ahead and just plug all your stuff?
Yeah, I'm at Clear Blue Skies on Facebook.
Yep. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Make sure you definitely go follow him. He does all sports stuff, portraits. What else do you do?
That's basically it, just sports.
Okay, sports. Yeah, but I had a good time. It was good to be back in, you know, like my hometown, alma mater here in Calhoun County. We didn't get the dub, but they still played really hard. So loved it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next.